This is Simran, and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today, we are going to be making a simple, easy, and delicious pasta. The flavors will burst in your mouth, and I'm sure that all of you will like it. So without further ado, let's get cooking! There are 3 parts to this recipe. The first step is to cook the pasta. For this, I have already kept a large pot of water for boiling. We will also need 500 grams of pasta and 2.5 teaspoons of salt. For the next step, you can cook the vegetables of your choice. Here, I've taken 1 small chopped onion and some chopped bell peppers. For the third and final step, we need to make the white sauce. For this, we will need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of milk. For flavoring the pasta, we will use some pepper, salt, and Italian seasoning. You can also use some hot sauce and tomato ketchup. For the garnish, we can use olives and coriander leaves, but these are totally optional. After the water comes to a strong boil, we will add the salt and mix it. After that is mixed, we will add the pasta. We will mix it once again. Let the pasta cook until it is soft, but it shouldn't be mushy. While the pasta is cooking, we will saute the vegetables. So first, we will put 2 tablespoons of oil in a medium pan. Then, we will add in the onions. Cook the onions until they are brown. Remember to keep on stirring the pasta so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. It took me around 4 minutes to saute the onions. So once they're done, we will put in the bell pepper. Then we will add some salt, some pepper, and some Italian seasoning. After you have mixed the vegetables well, you will cover it with this lid and cook it for around 4 minutes. To check if our pasta is cooked, we can take out 1 piece and see if we can break it. Since we can break it, we know that this is cooked. Once it is cooked, you need to switch off the flame, and then we will drain the pasta. In the same pot that we boiled the pasta, we can make the white sauce. So on medium heat, we will add the butter and make sure to let it melt before adding the all-purpose flour. It has been 4 minutes and the vegetables are cooked, so now you can turn off the flame. Once the butter has melted, we can add in the all-purpose flour. Mix it well with a whisk. We need to use a whisk or else there might be lumps. Stir the mixture until it becomes brown. Now, we will add the milk slowly. Make sure to keep mixing so there are no lumps. The sauce has started to thicken. At this point, we will add the salt, the pepper, and some Italian seasoning. After the sauce has a creamy consistency, we will add some ketchup, and some hot sauce. Be sure to turn off the flame. After your sauce is ready, we will add in the cooked pasta. Mix the sauce and pasta well. You can add in the sauteed vegetables. Mix these well. Once it is fully mixed, you can give the pasta a taste. If required, you can add in some salt, ketchup, or hot sauce. Once the pasta is done, you can garnish it with some coriander leaves, and some olives. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have any feedback, comment down below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all my new videos. See you in the next video!